Today we gather here to celebrate a remarkable initiative, the Kanmanigal in Kangal Awareness Program, organized by Shankara Nethralaya, aims at shedding light on retinoblastoma, a cancer affecting the eyes of our little ones. It is my honor to be here to get this opportunity to address you all, and I'd like to thank Shankara Nethralaya and Dr. Sugneshwari for this opportunity. Ascen's efforts in spreading awareness with retinoblastoma are invaluable, and they align perfectly with the mission of Tiara Kids. We believe that every child should have the opportunity to live a healthy and fulfilling life, regardless of their background or circumstances. Through our collaboration with Ascen since 2019, we've been able to extend support to more than 70 children battling retinoblastoma. We have supported children for intra-arterial chemotherapy. As you all know, intra-arterial chemotherapy is delivering the chemotherapy directly through the artery into the eye. For children with retinoblastoma, IAC offers a ray of hope in this fight against this aggressive cancer. However, it is essential to know that the costs associated with this treatment are very high. While IAC represents a significant advancement in the field of oncology, it also comes up with a substantial financial burden for the parents and their families. From the procedure itself to hospital charges, medication costs, follow-up care, the expenses quickly add up, placing a significant strain on the already vulnerable families. Tiara Kids has stood by these children and their families, offering them the necessary resources and support to navigate through this challenging journey. Retinoblastoma is a devastating disease, but with early detection and treatment, we can save precious lives. Through our partnerships with several renowned hospitals, we have supported 200 plus children from across 17 states in India and children who've come from Bangladesh, Nepal, and Myanmar, offering them the resources and hope that they need to fight this battle with courage and resilience. One of the other key aids of Tiara Hemophilia and Cancer Foundation is, with respect to retinoblastoma, is customized ocular prosthetics. So children who have had one eye removed or both eyes removed, this helps them restore the physical appearance of the child. It plays a crucial role in boosting the self-confidence and self-esteem of these children. Witnessing this transformation is truly inspiring and reinforces our commitment to continue our efforts in this direction. I'm proud to inform you all that we've supported more than 130 children with customized ocular prosthesis till date. Each prosthetic eye represents a child who has regained their confidence and hope for the future. It's a testament to the power of compassion and community coming together to make a difference in the lives of people in need. Besides our assistance for COP and IAC, we have also supported chemotherapy, supportive care, investigations, radiation, and imaging. During the pandemic, we've supported RT-PCR tests for children who had come in for retinoblastoma treatment so that there's no access interrupted. However, our work is far from over, and there are still many, many children out there who are battling retinoblastoma and many more who are at risk. That's why initiatives like today are so crucial, as they help us raise awareness to diagnose early and treat early. We must empower parents, caregivers, healthcare professionals, and social enterprises with the knowledge and tools that they need to recognize the signs of retinoblastoma and take action promptly. Together, we can make a difference. Together, we can ensure that every child has the opportunity to live a healthy and fulfilling life. Thank you again to Dr. Sugneshwari and her team for this opportunity.